Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to deactivate our Windows 10. Yes, we can also deactivate our Windows product key. Whenever we are having any window issues related to our product key, we can delete this. Now, first of all, we have to check the edition of our Windows. Now, click on the Start button, Settings, Update and Security, and the Activation. Here our edition is Windows 10 Enterprise and the state is activated. Here our Windows is activated. Now right click on this start. We have to go to command prompt via admin panel. Yes, admin panel is must. Here we just have to type one command. Here we will use this command. This is already given in our description. So copy from there as it is. Here copy. Now to this we have to just paste it. Yeah, it's now pasted and we have to press enter. Here a dialog box, the alert box will appear, uninstall product key successfully, and press OK. Now minimize it and again go to our setting. We will find that Windows is not activated. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, stay tuned.